Hello friends, I'm back with another video on free recruitments for Gulf countries, and in today's video you will get free jobs for Bahrain, Kuwait, Qatar, Oman, Saudi and UAE. It means in today's video all the job postings are free recruitments and you don't need to pay any service charge. Company will directly pay to the agent. And if you are new on the channel, then please subscribe and don't forget to turn on notification because I'm posting latest girl jobs on a daily basis, and I always try to bring as many as free recruitment so that needy people get benefit of it. And this is the first opening for Bahrain. It's a free recruitment, and this requirement is for petrochemical plant maintenance contract. The positions are electrical supervisors, 2 openings, electrical technicians, 20 openings, instrument supervisors, 6 openings, instrument technicians, 17 openings. For all above positions, candidate must be suitably qualified and have continuous 5 plus years of experience in petrochemical plant maintenance. If you are willing to apply for any of these positions, then you need to send your updated CV on cv@sinclass.com. You can see the detailed address and contact details in all the postings. Next free recruitment is for Europe, Serbia, and this requirement is for a road construction project. The positions are kitchen helpers, cook helpers. Candidates must have 8 plus years of total experience and minimum 3 plus years of overseas experience. And the email ID for this posting is sin13@sinclass.com. Next free recruitment is for Qatar, and this requirement is for a shutdown project. The positions are project engineers, mechanical supervisors, mechanical foreman. All above positions must have minimum 5 years of experience in the refinery shutdown in column internal job. So the email ID for this posting is bar@sinclass.com. Friends, if needed, you can take a screenshot of contact details so that at the end of video you can use it for applying for all the positions at once. Next is for Saudi Arabia. It's a free recruitment and vacancies are in large number. The positions are QC civil building supervisor, QC mechanical supervisor, QC piping supervisor, QC welding supervisor, electrical and instrumental supervisor. And there are many inspector positions like QC instrument inspector, receiving inspector, preservation stationery inspector, preservation piping inspector, preservation machinery inspector, preservation electrical inspector, preservation instrument, plumbing, HVAC, batch plant, steel structure, equipment rotating, equipment stationery, piping, NDT, welding, valve test, RTFI, PWHT, painting, electrical, instrument, communication. These all are inspector positions. ACMS operators and coating inspectors. So all the candidates should have oil and gas experience in Aramco project. Attractive salary with free food and accommodation will be provided by company. Shortlisting is in progress. The offices for these postings are Mumbai, Kochi, Vizag, Chennai, Baroda and Kolkata. So friends, you can see WhatsApp number, email ID and mobile numbers for all the locations. You will get this kind of detail on each posting at the bottom of the posting, so you can take a screenshot if needed. Next free recruitment is for UAE, and this is a shutdown project. Client interviews will be on 14th of October in Mumbai. The positions are job performers, rigging foreman, pipe fabricators, mechanical fitters, pipe fitters, riggers, fire or hole watchers. Candidate should have sufficient years of Gulf experience in turnaround, shutdown and maintenance of oil and gas, refinery and petrochemical field. Attractive salary plus overtime, free food, accommodation and transportation will be provided by company. So friends, email ID for this posting is sigilUAE2024@gmail.com. You can see the contact details on left hand side. Next, free recruitment is for UAE. This is also for an oil and gas project. Client interviews, online client interviews is in progress, so you can apply immediately. The positions are piping supervisors, mechanical supervisors, permit authority coordinators. Candidates should have sufficient years of Gulf experience in turnaround, shutdown and maintenance of oil and gas, refinery and petrochemical field. Attractive salary, overtime, free food, accommodation and transportation will be provided by company. The offices for these postings are Vizag, Chennai, Kochi and Baroda. Likewise, all the contact details are mentioned in the posting. Next, free recruitment is for Oman, and this is for an international EPC company for their oil and gas project. So the positions are QC Inspector MDI Mechanical, QC Inspector MDI Mechanical and Coating, QC Inspector Mechanical and QC Inspector GRE. So all these positions will be based at site. All candidates should have degree or diploma in mechanical, welding, metallurgy. Attractive salary with free food and accommodation will be provided by company. Shortlisting is in progress and the offices for these postings are Mumbai, Kochi, Vizag, Chennai, Baroda and Kolkata. So friends, you can see the contact details. Share this video with your friends so that they can also get benefit of this free recruitment, and don't forget to like the video and don't skip, watch the video till end. This posting is for Abu Dhabi for an international oil and gas company required for the offshore onshore projects. It's a free recruitment long term project. Client interviews will be on 9th October at Visakhapatnam. The positions are welder 6GR, SMAW 60 openings, welder 6G FCAW 60 openings, shuttering carpenter, steel fixer and mason. Free food, accommodation, transportation will be provided by company. Attractive salary plus OT, spot offer, immediate medical. All candidates should have experience in Gulf countries with sufficient in number of years in oil and gas projects. Shortlisting in progress, and email ID for this posting is sigilvizagcbs@gmail.com. These are the contact details. Next, free recruitment is for Abu Dhabi. So friends, as I told you, there are many free recruitments going ahead. So please don't skip, watch complete video so that you should not miss any opportunity. It takes lot of effort to bring all the free recruitments together for you. So you should keep, you should have some patience to watch the complete video, because I'm taking all these efforts for you guys only. So this posting is for Abu Dhabi. It's a free recruitment. The positions are planning engineer mechanical. Salary is going to be 16,000 AED. Estimation engineers mechanical offshore and onshore 16,000. Estimation engineer civil 16,000. Lifting appointed person offshore LIMS, salary is going to be 19,000. All candidates should have 10 to 15 years of experience in oil and gas. Offshore industry, Gulf experience is must. Attractive salary plus other benefits will be provided by company. Shortlisting is in progress. The offices for these postings are Mumbai, Chennai and Kochi. You can see the contact details and multiple mobile numbers for all the locations. Next, free recruitment is for Abu Dhabi for a leading international company for their oil and gas project. So the position is purchased and logistics engineer, degree or diploma or equivalent qualification with 2 to 3 years of experience in oil and gas industry, preferably in Gulf countries. Attractive salary with free food and accommodation will be provided by company. Offices for this posting is are like Mumbai, Chennai and Kochi. These are the contact details. Next free recruitment is for UAE. Shortlisting will start from 7th October to 10th of October, and then there will be a client interview shortly. So friends, the position is tool maintenance technician, CNC machine maintenance technician. You can see the detailed job requirements are given. Better you can take a screenshot because it's too long. Attractive salary and other benefits will be provided by company. Please see below the contact details. And the email ID for this posting is info@asm like asmax.com, info@asmax.com. This is for UAE. Next free recruitment is for Saudi, for a global pipe company. It's a free recruitment and shortlisting is in progress in Mumbai, at Mumbai and Chennai offices. Final client interview will be at Baroda, Mumbai and Chennai by end of October. So the positions are UT technicians, X-ray technician, magnetic particles technician, and these postings are for quality department. There are some other positions for maintenance department as well, and the positions are electrical maintenance technician, mechanical maintenance technicians. You can see the qualification requirement, the number of years of experience, everything is mentioned below all the positions. So please read it carefully before you apply. Candidates should have experience in sawmill, pipe mill, steel pipe manufacturing plants. All candidates should communicate in English. Attractive salary, food allowance, accommodation and transportation will be provided by company. Below are the contact details for Mumbai and Chennai office. WhatsApp number, email ID and address, everything is mentioned. Next free recruitment is for Oman. Interviews will be online. The positions are QC inspector MDI mechanical, QC inspector MDI coating, QC inspector mechanical and QC inspector GRE. It's a long-term project. All candidate must have PDO experience. Approval will be an advantage. Email ID for this posting is balasankar@dss-hr.com. You can see the mobile number as well. This free recruitment was for Dynamic for Oman. Next free recruitment is for Saudi. Client interviews will be in next week at Mumbai. It's a long-term project and the positions are motor winder HT, electrical technicians HT winding, junior technicians HT winding, electrical testing technicians HT motor, mechanical technicians HT motor. Candidates should have experience in HT motor winding. So friends, below are the contact detail. Email ID is s.kumar@dss-hr.com. You can see the mobile number as well. So friends, I would like to clarify one thing here. So whatever job posting you have seen, that all were 100% free recruitments, but while searching for that postings I got some attractive job openings which are not free recruitments but the latest recruitment, so I have included that as well for you guys. So the first recruitment is for, it's overseas, so the country is not mentioned. The positions are maintenance worker mechanic, machine operator production, factory worker, stock picker, driving assistant, loading unloading helper. Minimum experience of 5 years in FMCG company is required. Below are the contact details. This is going to be mostly for the Middle East, so you can contact on given number and ask them if you have any queries. Next requirement is for UAE. Client interviews will be in Chennai. The positions are HVAC specialist, engineer chiller, HVAC supervisor chiller, HVAC foreman chiller, HVAC senior technician chiller. All candidate must have experience in oil and gas, refinery and maintenance field. Below are the contact details. Next requirement is for UAE. So friends, please note these all, like whatever I have notified and ongoing, these are not the free recruitments. So it's a CV selection: tunnel manager, deputy tunnel manager, senior tunnel engineer, TBM E&M manager, tunnel foreman, TBM operator, erector operator, ring builder, backfill grouter, battery car operator, utility fitter, tunnel builder, segment repair and others, backfill plant operator, gantry crane operator, lifting supervisor, signal and trigger, lift operator, gasket fitter, E and EM supervisor, mechanic, electrician and maintenance welder. So friends, you can see postings and like position and number of openings are clearly mentioned in the posting. You can send all your documents on WhatsApp on the given number. Food, accommodation and transportation will be provided by company. Below are the contact details. If you have any queries, you can call them directly. So they have mentioned separate numbers for workers and for the senior category, so you can contact them accordingly. Next is for Saudi Arabia. This is also CV selection. The positions are environmental supervisor, HSE officer, PC operator, HSE supervisor, fire marshal, fire watcher, purchase supervisor, expediter, OCH, coating inspector, arch QC inspector, civil QC inspector, QC material inspector, mechanical project control supervisor, mechanical engineer, static equipment construction supervisor, rotating equipment construction supervisor, tank construction supervisor, slope gun operator, insulation supervisor and interface coordinator. So friends, here also you can see the position and number of openings are mentioned in the posting. Minimum 7 to 10 years of Gulf experience, Aramco project experience preferred, Korean company experience preferred. For safety personnel, NIBOSH, OSHA is compulsory. Please send relevant documents on WhatsApp on the given number. So you can see the contact details below. Food, accommodation, transportation will be provided by company. Next posting is for Abu Dhabi, and the positions are piping supervisors, 25 openings, piping foreman, 25 openings, rigging foreman, 20 openings. All candidates should have diploma in mechanical engineering with Gulf experience in oil and gas industry. Attractive salary with free food and accommodation will be provided by company. Shortlisting is in progress. Below are the offices for these postings, and the offices are Mumbai, Kochi, Vizag, Chennai, Baroda and Kolkata. You can see the contact details like email ID, WhatsApp number and mobile numbers. Next posting is for Kuwait, and client interviews will be on 23rd of October at Chennai. So friends, you can see there are multiple openings, huge openings in this posting. So better you can take a screenshot. I will try to read it out in short. So production manager, quality control, HV switchgear assembly, power distributor transformer assembly, production engineer, assistant production manager, transformer assembly, manager, assistant manager LB, electrician, CNC machine operator, fitter, fabricator, welder, painter, assembly fitter, maintenance technician, power winder, CNC programmer, distribution winder, CNC machine operator, core cutting machine, production storekeeper, heavy driver, QA testing engineer, transformer and switchgear, mechanical engineer, assistant engineer transforming testing, foreman mechanical, QA incoming inspection, QA technicians mechanical and electrician. So all candidates should have degree or diploma or ITI with 3 to 5 years of relevant experience. Indian experience will be considered. For assembler and CNC operators, fresh ITI holders can also apply. So friends, if you don't have Gulf experience, no need to worry. You can apply for any of this position with Indian experience in the given range of like 3 to 5 years. If you are a fresher ITI holder, then for assembler and CNC operator, you can go ahead. Below are the contact details, multiple mobile numbers, and sigil ch.kuwait@gmail.com is the email ID for this posting. This is the same what we have seen. Next is for Saudi again. This is for food and beverage company. Shortlisting from 7 October to 10th October, and then there will be a online virtual interview with the client shortly. The positions are electrical maintenance senior technician, mechanical maintenance senior technicians, QA supervisor, new product development, research and development supervisor, production supervisor. Attractive salary and other benefits will be provided by company. Below are the contact details for your reference. Next posting is for Saudi again, and the final client interviews will be tomorrow on 8 October in Vadodara, Gujarat. The positions are rigger foreman, piping foreman, painting or abrasive blasting foreman, structural steel fabricator, structural fabricator, structural fitter, pipe fabricator, pipe fitter, rigger, spray painter, man lift operator, hydro test technician, spray painter and blaster. So candidates should have experience in oil and gas construction project. Attractive salary, free food, accommodation and transportation will be provided by company. Below are the contact details for your reference. Next is for Saudi. Shortlisting from 7th October to 10th, and then there will be a final interview with client at Mumbai. So the positions are multi NDT technicians. High school diploma degree must be English speaking, NDT level second technicians, minimum of 2 years of experience in NDT jobs as NDT technician. API inspectors should have relevant experience. Attractive salary, food allowance, accommodation will be provided by company. Below are the contact details for Mumbai and Chennai office. Because the interviews will take place in Mumbai and Chennai, both the locations. Next is for Saudi again. Shortlisting has started from 5th October and it will be going on until 10th of October, and then there will be a finally online or virtual interviews with the client shortly. The positions are mechanic, ESD foreman, ESD technician, rigger level 3, HSC manager, safety officer. So attractive salary, free food, accommodation will be provided by company. Below are the contact details. Friends, if needed, you can take a screenshot for the detailed requirement mentioned in the posting. You can read it carefully before you apply. So friends, whenever you apply for any position, keep single file ready, in which a single PDF file which will contain your updated CV, your passport copy scanned, and educational qualification certificates, and at the last your experience certificates. Send. You can use that same file for all the applications, and it is very easy for recruiter to shortlist it. So friends, next posting is for UAE. Job location they have already mentioned. Shortlisting from 5th October to 10th October, and then there will be online virtual interviews shortly with the clients. The positions are engineer E&I, QC inspector E&I, senior engineer contracts, manager project. Attractive salary, food, accommodation will be provided by company. Below are the contact details for your reference, and these are the detailed requirement mentioned in the posting. Like for E&I, Graduation electrical or instrumentation engineering, minimum 6 years of relevant experience. For QC inspector E&I, graduation diploma in electrical instrumentation engineering, minimum 7 years of experience in oil and gas. Likewise, you can see for remaining two positions, take a screenshot if needed, because I'm just trying to shorten the duration of video, because you guys don't have patience, you are not watching complete video. This posting is for this is a free recruitment, and they are hiring for Saudi, and the position is TIG and arc welder CS, full TIG welder CS and SS. So there are two positions. Attractive salary, food, accommodation and transportation plus other benefits will be provided by company. 8 hours duty plus overtime. After performing a complete test, candidates will get the test allowance and refreshment as well. Must have minimum 7 to 10 years of experience in oil and gas industry. Gulf experience is not mandatory. So if you have India or other country experience, you can go with that experience. Final client interview will be, oh, it was already over, I'm sorry. But still the email ID is same. You can apply. If they have relevant openings, they will revert. Next posting is for Saudi, and this is for an oil and gas construction project. Face-to-face interview shortly in Mumbai. So the positions are construction manager, electrical, civil, structural and mechanical, manager planning, project control manager and deputy planning manager. BTech in respective engineering with minimum 10 plus years of experience in oil and gas industry. Senior engineer planning, civil, electrical, piping, structural, engineer planning, civil E&I, piping, structure, lead planning, civil, structure and electrical. So BTech or diploma in respective engineering with minimum 8 plus years of experience in oil and gas industry with P6 certification. Safety officer, English speaking candidate with graduation diploma in NIBOSH and minimum 5 years of experience in oil and gas industry. Admin and HR officers, Hindi speaking, any graduate, minimum 5 years of experience in construction industry. Fresh engineers, BTech in any engineering with minimum 2 years of work experience in any construction industry. So friends, this posting is by Asia Power, and you can apply by sending your documents on pankaj@asiapower.co. So this posting was for NSH Saudi. Next is for NBTC, and interested candidate may share their CV and credentials to saneem.m@nbtc-group.com before 15th of October. So friends, the positions are scheduler mechanical, quantity surveyor mechanical, quantity surveyor estimator civil, estimator cost mechanical, scheduler cost estimator, supervisor QC piping, supervisor civil, supervisor piping metallic, supervisor rigging, inspector QC civil, inspector QC coating, QC inspector material, QC inspector piping, QC inspector welding, electrical, telecom, piping foreman, metallic, rigging foreman. So friends, you can apply. I have already read out the email ID, so you can apply immediately before 15th of October. Next, it's a continuation of previous posting. So the positions are project manager mechanical civil, project control manager QA/QC mechanical, senior officer project administration QA/QC manager civil, contracts engineer, contract administrator, planning engineer mechanical, planning engineer E&I, planning engineer civil, engineer hydrotest pre-commissioning, design engineer scaffolding, welding engineer, cost control engineer, civil engineer, HSE engineer and HSE officer. So friends, you can see positions, the detail, education requirement and job description is mentioned for all the postings. Better you take a screenshot and read it out before you apply for these positions. So friends, this was the posting for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please comment and share your views about this video and subscribe if you are new on this channel. I'll be back tomorrow with another video on latest Gulf jobs. Keep watching. Thank you.